Questions? All right, good. Okay, can I get somebody brave here to do the left-hand side of the equal sign only? Alistair, go.
Negative 6, 12x plus 2 over 6.
Okay, so equals negative 6 over 12x plus 2 over 6. Remember, change it to be plus because, right, negative and negative multiply out. All right, Karina, go.
Oh, the other half?
Yes, please.
3 over 10x plus 3 over 15.
Great. All right, so at this stage, I would strongly recommend, get rid of your phone, please, Billy. Get rid of your phone. Whoever else has their phone out there, too, okay? I would strongly recommend going to lowest terms, okay? Because if you don't, this denominator is going to be enormous. Karina, I think you did like 10,800 or something, which is like it was very huge, okay? So it'll still work. It would still work like that. Okay, your answer would still work, but these numbers are going to be a lot smaller. Can someone be brave and take that to lowest terms for me? Janet, go.
Negative 1/2 x plus 1 over 3 equals 3 over 10x plus 1 over 10.
Very good. Now, hopefully we can all see that's a lot smaller now. Okay. Now, as far as my common denominator, what'd you get for that, Glenn? Yeah. 30. How'd you get 30?
Because 5 and 2 both go into 10, so I just multiply with 3 by 2.
Very good. When you look at 10, because 5 and 2 already go into it, we don't need to multiply it again, so we're going to multiply everything by 30 here. All right. So, can someone please put up the calculator or their brain? Sorry, raise your hands. Get new people here, please. Who hasn't raised your hand yet today? Caleb, good. Caleb, come up everything by 30 for me, please.
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead.
Okay, so negative 30 over 2x.
Yeah.
Plus 30 over 3.
Great.
Plus 90 over 10.
Good.
Plus 30 over 5.
Good. And that's equals, not plus, but that's okay. That's good. All right, Jessica, since I haven't picked on you yet today, can you bring everything down to the lowest terms, please?
Negative 15x plus 10 equals 9x plus 1.
Okay. Liam, I'm going to pick on you. What do you do here now, please?
Just move the like terms.
Good. So I'm going to go negative 15x minus 9x equals 6 minus 10. Remember, when you go across the equal sign, right, it flips the signs, right? All right, Noah, since you're the one and only Noah today, can you be brave and give me the next step? Yeah, so what's negative 15 minus 9? It's going to be?
Negative 24.
Good. And 6 minus 10 is?
Negative 4.
Great. Okay, final step here is going to be what? We'll go.
Divide by negative 24.
Very good. Divide by negative 24. Now this is 4 over negative 24. What's that in those terms? 1 over 6. Okay, can I get everyone to close their eyes for one quick second? Who got that? We'll help Mr. Sadler, raise your hand. Who came close but made a small mistake along the way? Who feels good that when you get this on your midterm on Monday, they can get the question? It's most people, okay? That's all right. Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next style of question here, okay, if that's okay. I'm going to move on to exponents. You will get a piece of paper tonight with lots of these questions, all right? As I said, I won't be collecting it, okay, but I'm going to strongly recommend that you try them out, okay, so you can do it well. Yeah, right, Daniel? Okay, exponents. I'm going to go through the basic exponent laws here right now. I think we're going to go back to Spider-Man here, okay, because I want, one sec, please. I want to make sure that everyone gets a good attempt at this. So for those who will sit quietly, that's okay. Spencer, it's going to be your time to shine right now. Spencer, going back from grade 9 after the beginning of the year, if I were to write on the board 2 squared times 2 cubed, do you recall what that answer is going to be?
Yeah, when you're multiplying exponents, you just add them, right?
Yeah, that's good. 2 to the power 1 then. Yes. So that's gonna be our first power rule. When in the general form is this, x to the a, x to the b. If you need that is x to the a plus b. If you need the general rule, then that's what it is. Okay, so you guys probably haven't seen this for a little bit. Okay, let's say I do, Jenna, if I do like 3 to the 9 divided by 3 to the 5, remember how that goes? Okay, Aiden, you want to help? You want to subtract, okay? So really, if you remember how this works, I wish I would have put smaller numbers now. One, two, three, 4, 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 5 from those. So there's a balance. Those balance 3, 4, 5. So it's 3 to the 4. Okay, because there's 4 people. Okay. So if I were to say x to the a over x to the b, a's look awful today. X to the a minus b. Okay. Is it starting to come back for most people? I hope. A little bit. Okay. Cassie, you ready to shine? Okay. If I were to say 3 to the 4 x squared cubed. Oh my goodness. Cassie, do you recall how to do that by any chance? Yep. Very good. Should have multiplied the exponent. So this is going to be hopefully 3 to the 12 x to the 6. That's it. Now there will be someone in this class, and if it's you, Aiden, shame on you. Please do not tell me that 3 to the 12 is 896,428 or whatever it happens to be. Leave it as 3 to the 12 on this question, okay? You will be marked wrong if you expand it out. Okay, so do not expand. What's that? So do not expand it out. Are we all clear on this? Exponents stay as exponents. Yes? Any other question? No? Okay. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you one with enormous numbers right now. I can try these ones for me right now, which is going to be what? B, C, and D. So we'll get on to something monstrous in a sec. So I'm going to do, we'll go x to the 5, x to the 23, x to the 136. X to the 218, y to the 400, all over x to the 213, y to the 398, and 3 to the 4, x to the 5, y to the 6, times 12. Okay. Now I know you're saying, oh my goodness, Messiah, you're mean. The reason I'm doing this, I want to make sure you can know the exponent rules rather than just doing it in your head. With variables, it works the same. Okay, if you need your calculator to do what you need to do, go ahead. I'm going to pause in the video. It didn't freeze on me for this reason for some